Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see biometric system for Smart School ERP. It's a universal biometric system which is supporting any kind of brand. So it's supporting all kind of protocol. Example: ZKTeco, eSSL, and other brands and protocols. So it's basically support universal brands and universal method. So it's a complete working biometric system for Smart School ERP. If anyone want to purchase this code, you can visit 3usd.in and you can purchase the item from the website. They are giving 10% discount. Use that code to get the 10 percentage off for the purchase. So it's a one-time purchase and a future updated script, which is whenever there is a new update, you will regularly get the update from the website. You don't need to pay extra charges for that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how that biometric system is working, and I will demonstrate the testing in the video. So let's start. Okay, once you purchase the item, you will get this zip file, and the structure of the project is like this. You will get a documentation and device connected software based on Python and simulator for the testing and web replacement files. As you can see, there is two files you need to replace in your web panel to connect and use the this new universal biometric system software. The documentation is completely user friendly and beginner guide. So if you want to follow the guidance and set up everything, you can follow the documentation. So you can get every detail how you can configure and how you can set up everything in the software using this documentation. So let me show you how you can connect the system and your biometric software using the Python. Okay. First, we need to go to SS Bio DK folder, and as you can see, there is a config file in there. Open that config file with your editor, like notepad or whatever. As you can see, you need to put your school URL, which is your domain name, and you need to use serial number. You can use your physical device serial number, or you can put whatever name you want. It's acting as a device name, so you need to put your physical device or your own text in there. Also, as you can see, there is a device type option. Currently we are using simulator, so I'm using simulator. If you are using a physical device and you need to use, you can follow the documentation. As you can see, there is a documentation for ZKTeco and other protocols for full mode, and other push mode also available. You can follow the documentation for the configuration. You need to set up your device type as ZKTeco and your IP address for the configuration. This IP address is your LAN IP address for connectivity. Currently we are using a local IP, which is local host IP address for local simulator. But if you are using a physical device, use your IP for the configuration. After that, you need to see the port option. You can leave default or you can change port, whatever port you want. If you are using port already, for example, already you are using port 5000 in any other option, so you want to use a new port, you can use create a port like 7000 or 6000 like that. And sync interval section is 10-second default. You can adjust based on your need, then save the file. After the configuration, you can start the biometric device bat, and the system will be connected to your web panel. After that, in this video, we are going to use the simulator. You can also use simulator for testing purpose, which is your connectivity is successfully connected or not. So let me show you how you can connect the setup with the web panel. So for now, you need to go to general settings and click the attendance type. After that, you need to enable this biometric attendance option, and put your device, which is serial number we put. This is a device name acting on the web panel. then set up the time for your classes and sections. I already set up the sections and time. Then select your class mode, like I'm going to student option, and select the class nursery. Then I will update the time period. Currently I set up a time period, year entry form, and entry up to. So the entry from means starting, and the entry up to means that is the limit that present function will be work. After that there is a time based option you need to set up based on your need. And main thing is you need to set up time zone on general settings, because the system will work based on your time zone and your system time period. So you need to configure that thing. For example, in India we use Asia slash Kolkata. Then based on your time zone you can set up that thing. Okay, after that let test the attendance method which is working or not using biometric. Okay, let's open the attendance option. First click the attendance. I will go with the student attendance. Then select your class and section and enter the refresh button. Then select any student. I will use empty slot, which is this ID. You need to copy the admission number. Then open the simulator, and you can see start this simulator bat. Just double click and start the simulator. Then you will see the simulator ID input option. For student testing purpose it will be punch in your student ID data. So let me paste it here. Okay, now I paste the ID which is admission number. As you can see there is no input, and the source is manual, and the current status is absent. Okay, let me click the enter button. See, the data is successfully punched. Then we will go to attendance and refresh the page. See, the attendance status is changed to biometric, and date of the attendance, and enter time. So the system is worked properly for the simulation. Same for a physical device, because it's working with universal connection, which is support all kind of models you have. So if anyone want the product, you can visit 3usd.in and purchase the item. Then you can able to use your biometric attendance system for smart school. So you don't need to make a manual entry or anything. If anyone want, visit 3usd.in. Thank you.